Caleb.
What's up, you guys? Dang, boy. You gonna do the intro since you interrupted.
What's up, you guys?
You like a real big, I don't know, goof ass valve. You tripping.
Sit your ass down.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and you have your boy Caleb. Caleb. Caleb, look. He said, hmm. Look. There you go. Alright, you guys. So, basically, you already know what the deal is. Still gotta get the EGR board off. That's the last little thing we gotta get off. Get that off, and we can ease on through this thing, put everything back together. And this time it should be actually like pretty better, like a lot more better, because for the last issue we had for the plenum issue with the coolant, I'm gonna show you guys what it was. It actually follow me everywhere. What? He's so bad. But anyways, actually, all it was that hose that I had showed y'all in the last video that he was working on. What it was, he didn't push it all the way up on the plenum, and so that was like, looked like basically it was swelled up. So when he fixed that issue, not gonna lie, the hose looked a lot more better. I was like, wow, all of that for that. So we're gonna fix that. Well, that issue is fixed. The valve cover, we still got it off, but we put the valve cover back on. So I have to clean that up, then reseal it and all that once we get the EGR bolt off, and we'll be good to go. And put everything back together, make sure the hose is down, everything good to go, and it'll be time to rock and roll. So yeah. Oh, and yeah, I left my job today. That's my toolbox. So, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm like, you know, they say chase your dreams, so I'm gonna chase my dreams. So, I know, right?
Yep.
He ain't got no neck. But nah.
He's right though. Chase your dreams, guys. It's up and downs. Sometimes you just want to give up. I'm not gonna lie, I've been there, done that. Plenty of times. He can even tell y'all. There's a lot of times, even with this car, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, even with this car, I'll be like, man, just screw the car, sell it or something, but he always comes back and tells me like why before. He remembers me what I told him and stuff, so I'll be like, it's tough and all, but do you really want to give up? Is that the question? Do you really want to give up? So, yeah. Don't quit, don't give up, keep fighting, and you'll get there. Eventually you will. Just stick to it.
Dealing with them people. Oh my goodness, you guys, he wants to get up here so bad.
Yeah, you're showing the camera.
Yeah.
I want to be part of it.
Yeah. Yeah. See yourself? You trying to point to the car?
Andres, if you're watching this, thanks for your tools.
Oh yeah, here's Andres. Gotta charge it. Man, that what he get, that what he get. But anyways, you guys, we're gonna get right to it. We ain't gonna hold you up no more longer. I know y'all wanna see the content, and basically we're gonna show you what we're gonna do today. And let's get it. So let's go. Ew.
Oh.
What? Alright guys, y'all see this bolt right here in front of y'all? I'm gonna clear it up for y'all.
Right here.
That bolt right there. That's the bolt we gotta get off. he loosened it up a little bit, so we're gonna get that off and basically get everything back intact, and we're gonna try this. Basically, I don't know, we'll try, but we'll attempt to get everything back and running by the end of the day, but it depends. So
well, sealed up and then probably run tomorrow. Let the seal healed up and all that.
yeah, know what I'm saying, but I'm saying get everything back together basically, but
Oh yeah, put everything back together. That's right. Yep. I know.
so yeah. Alright, you guys, we got that bolt out. I'm blurry, hold on, fix it right quick. We got that bolt out. Yeah, I drilled the top of it, but we kept the sides. So that being said, we're gonna put this new bolt on, tighten that up, reseal this valve cover right here, get oh, that's the new bolt. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now since we don't have a size 24mm wrench, hopefully we can make it in time to Northern Tool Store and get this wrench. That way we can get this thing on there and knock this out the way and come back.
Caleb, here you go. There, puppy. There.
And come back. He don't like it when we leave. Look. Oh, I hit y'all on the window. But anyways, yeah, like I was saying, yeah. So we can knock this thing out the way and get this car back up on the road, because it's been down for about 2 weeks now, 2 weeks and a half. So look. He's so bad. As soon as he heard the car crank up, that's what he did. Look.
No. Tú te vas a quedar.
He's so bad. That's how bad he is, y'all. That's what we have to deal with every day, basically. After we come home from work. He's so extra. Look. He's so extra. He's so extra, man. He's obsessed with our cars. Like, he legit is obsessed with them. He gets in here and try to turn the ignition switch. I'm like, oh, he's going up too fast. And he adds on to it, his swole back ass. So, yeah. Anyways, you guys, enough talking. I'm gonna get over here.
Alright guys, how y'all doing? So we got that bolt in back. Right here. That silver shiny bolt right there. So yeah, we got that bolt in, so now we can start doing the valve cover, getting it ready, prepping it, cleaning it, resealing it, and then check every hose, every clamp, and probably start putting everything together. Well, no, probably, that's next. Putting everything back together, and yeah.
like old RTD seal on it, and so that's why I guess why it was spinning. So I'm gonna go back and kind of clean it off, and then I'm trying to go back in there and see if I can throw it back in. But I was like, oh, I said that's the reason why. So we're gonna try that and put this bolt back in. That was basically the last bolt. Alright guys, so that's gonna cut it for the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment down below what I should work on, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, before we go, that bolt I told you that ended up like snapping. It didn't snap. What it was a threads on it. I think it was from the old seal, so I got it off of there and basically got the old thread off of it. I stuck it back in there and it was still spinning. So but tomorrow we're gonna have to happen. I hate to do it. We're gonna have to tap it. I mean, but hey, it's gonna work. I mean, as long as we can tap it, at least, you know, what's the worst can happen besides the heads, you know, messing up because of that. But honestly and truly, I think it'll be good because I'm used to, we do that at work. So, well, at that job I used to work at. So yeah, but like I said, that's all we have left, that valve cover. And what else? We got the heat wrap off, and that's about it really. We got to fix that coolant leak. We fixed the EGR bolt. So all we have to do is slap the plenum on, make sure all the gas lines are on like tight this time, because last time we put them on and some of them wasn't snug, which I could have kind of, you know, picked onto it when you could smell the fumes like right there in front of your face. So yeah, this time we'll make sure that's not gonna happen. So maybe this time everything will go smooth. It'll be back to a normal twin turbo Z, or I should say a more torquey Z. And yeah, so that's about it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.